Today I'm going over my Swifttip configuration here. It's a grip tip combo. So you have the grip and you'll put it on your machine and you just keep it on your machine. And you can either use a clipcord sleeve and fold it over, or I'm gonna send out these little poly bags with it. So you just slide this over the grip like so. Take the tip and see those little grooves right there? I'm lining that up with the tip. And that kind of lets you know where that is. And you just kind of squeeze it in and just push it down and it's right there. Now, for your mag, I already bent this needle and everything. I already checked it, already looped it, so it's good. I'm just gonna set that up. And now everything is completely barriered off on this. So now I'll take my Kofex tape. If you want the grip to be bigger, you can always just, put a paper towel around this as well, or just do a few more wraps with your Kofex tape, however you feel necessary. Let's rock and roll, just like that.